I am Kanika and welcome to my YouTube channel. So finally बहुत सोचने के बाद here I am with my own YouTube channel. Always have been wanting one but never knew the right time to come up with one. So here I am and we'll see how this goes. So please be kind and show some love and hit that bell icon right now. Subscribe to this channel and help me create good content. And hopefully all of us are going to have a great ride. So today what we are going to talk about is how to have a better day and the small changes that we can make on a day-to-day basis to have a better and a happy day. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So the first one is getting a good night's sleep. So guys, sleep is not overrated. We hustle so hard that we actually forget to get a good night's sleep and we think that sleep is not for hard workers, but it's not true. It's not healthy to sleep for less hours in the long run. It is only going to make you lazy and it is only going to affect your health. So please make it a routine to get a proper sleep at night so that your mind will be fresh, you'll be healthy and you'll be more efficient at night. Well, how many of you end up snoozing your alarm in the morning? Well, I know I used to. So for this problem I have a little trick for you guys. So at night when you actually set up your alarm on your phone or your alarm clock, keep that phone or your alarm clock a little away from your bed. So in the morning when your alarm goes on, you have to actually walk out of your bed and switch that alarm off. So by then you're already out of your bed and you're kickstarted for the day. So until your body is habituated to a good sleep routine, you can actually use this trick to wake up early in the morning. Plan and stick to it. So I am not saying that you should plan your week out or something, but at least you should plan your day out. It's so important because you end up wasting a lot less time than you usually do.
So if you like making to-do lists like me, then you can always list the tasks that are important to you that you need to complete in a day on a piece of paper and avoid any confusions in the day further. Once you complete the task, make sure you check them off your list because you're going to feel a lot lighter once you're done with them. So reading is another thing that helps me to have a very good day, and I think it is very important to read a book every day. So if you guys don't like reading, then there are always podcasts you can listen to. There are audiobooks that you can listen to. There are Kindle versions now also. So if you don't like reading, then go through them, but at least read 10 pages of a book a day, and I'm sure it is going to make a lot of change in your life. Reading can provide you with the wisdom that nothing else can. So I'm sure reading is going to make you a very happy and a positive person also.
Doing worst things first. This is a game changer technique guys and it is going to change the way your day looks. हमारे एग्जाम्स के टाइम पे भी हम हमेशा वो सब्जेक्ट सबसे लास्ट में पढ़ते थे जो बहुत बोरिंग होते थे या बहुत डिफिकल्ट होते थे. एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो मैं वो सब्जेक्ट सबसे पहले पढ़ती थी बिकॉज इट यूज टू मेक मी फील वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट दैट आई रियली लाइक. So you can apply this technique in your day-to-day life also because it is going to make you do those tasks that you're actually thinking about doing it but actually not doing it. So वो tasks जो हमें boring लगते हैं या tasks that we keep procrastinating about, do those tasks first and I'm sure it is going to make you feel really light and happy about your day. So the next one is taking creative breaks. So if you continuously keep working and do not take those breaks for yourselves, I think your efficiency is going to reduce towards the work you do and you won't be creative about your work anymore. So it is very important to take those little breaks. It could be 5 minutes or 10 minutes and spend that time with yourself and nobody else, because I think it is going to make a lot of difference for you personally. Do things that you like. You can go for a walk, you can listen to the music and go for a walk, you can read a book, you can eat a snack or anything, but spend that time with yourself. It is going to give you some time to reflect on your thoughts and it is going to clear your head space and it is going to clear any blockages that you have in your head. So take those creative breaks on a regular basis and you'll see a remarkable change in your work in your regular life. So the last point is gratitude and I think it is the most important practice that we all should be doing on a regular basis because we keep running towards the things that we really want that we actually forget to hit pause and be thankful about the things we already have. So gratitude is a practice that we all should be practicing on a regular basis, because it is very important for your mental health. It is going to boost your mental health.
So if you like journaling, then you can always write down 3 things that happened to you in a day that you were really happy about. And I'm sure if you practice this routine on a regular basis, by the end of at least 7 days, you'll have a lot of positive things to look at, and you'll be very happy with the vibe you have, with the energy you have around you.
So this is it, you guys. These are the changes that I think helps us in having a better day. So if you use any of these tips, then please let me know. Also, if you have anything else to add to the list, then please feel free to add them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.